In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print a file from Google Drive. Fix today. Here, let's begin. First, go to Google Drive in your browser. I'm assuming you're already logged in. Once you're inside Google Drive, locate the file you want to print and double-click it to open the file in preview mode or in the appropriate editor like Google Docs, Sheets, or Slides. Next, click the File menu in the top left corner of the window. From the drop-down menu, select Print. Depending on the file type, you may see a few extra print settings. In Google Docs, you can adjust things like page width or table spacing if you're using pageless format. In Google Sheets, you can choose margins and page orientation, then click Next. In Google Slides, you can open print settings and preview to include speaker notes or change the handout layout. You can also quickly open the print window by pressing Ctrl+P on Windows or Command+P on Mac. Once the print preview window appears, choose your printer from the destination list, then adjust options like portrait or landscape mode, color or black and white, and the number of copies you want to print. After everything looks good, click the print button to send the file to your printer. If the print option is missing or grayed out, the file owner may have disabled printing permissions for viewers and commenters. And that's it for this tutorial. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave a comment down below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, the subscribe button is free and helps support the channel so I can keep making helpful tutorials for you. I'll see you in the next video.